The second, and this is also why I strongly advocate the use of a trust rather than transfers to individuals, is that there are too many cases where there's a risk to the title of the property. So let's say, for example, dad transfers his house to his four children. This has happened with a few attorneys I've known over the years. Uh, on a couple of cases I've known that dad transfers to the four children. Dad eventually goes into a nursing home. The children decide to sell the house. And when they get to the closing table, they find out that one of the four children is in the middle of bankruptcy proceedings or has judgments entered against him. And all of a sudden, a lot of the net proceeds of the house have to wind up paying off creditors rather than staying in the family. So this is what I call solving one problem by creating another. So that you see. The other thing is if somebody's going through marital troubles, although it should be considered an exempt asset from property distribution, that doesn't necessarily, you know, always hold up in the family law courts. I mean, next thing you know, the person's listing that they own a quarter piece of real estate, and depending on the judge and the advocacy you're creating a bit of a nightmare that you could otherwise avoid. And even if the property distribution is not going to count it, it can be used as calculations for alimony and child support.